Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a stunning and unique Christmas tree using steel floral wires. I have taken A4 sheet which provide firm support. Remove the excess part and make it a cone. Do not glue it. Use cellophane tape instead. Once the cone is done, you can apply glue onto the cellophane tape but not onto the paper and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes at least. By then you can arrange the floral wires, and now insert the wire from the top and bend it from top to toe. First layer of wire winding is a challenging part, so try to do it bit carefully. Join two wires when winding. I have taken both silver and golden steel floral wires. Apply glue in between two jumbo red sequins, placing a wire in between, and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes and cut it into a star shape. Gently remove the paper from the wire coil. It might even stuck onto the glue that we have applied before. If the tree is bouncy, then you have to intertwine with the wire, which will reduce the space in between wires. Hooray! My Christmas tree is ready. This DIY holiday decoration is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of magic to their home this season.